One of the hardest things in life is having self-discipline. In this video, I'll be taking you through a week in my life as I exercise, make my bed, clean the kitchen, go grocery shopping, and visit my family house for the Easter weekend. Through these activities, I'll show you how building self-discipline can help you achieve your goals and live your best life. One of the best ways to build self-discipline is through exercise. So I'm starting my day with a workout. Even though I might not feel like getting up early and sweating, I know that the long-term benefits to my health and well-being are worth the short-term discomfort. If I learned one thing doing these exercises is never give up. Some mornings I did not want to wake up. Some mornings I just wanted to just lie down in the bed a little longer. But because of self-discipline, it motivated me to get up. So set your alarm, get up, and just get exercise. So after I finish exercise, I normally put back the coffee table in place. And now I'll be clearing a few stuff in the living room here. So I have some buns and cheese because it's Easter. So I'll be packing these in a box that I can carry with me to my family home. Now, I am so fortunate that this year I didn't have to buy any bun or cheese. Well, actually I purchased one cheese, but I got a bun and cheese from work. I also got these two these two cheese actually, and the buns that I put in the box from a friend of mine. Girl, big up yourself. So these are some buns from Excelsior, HTB, and Miss Birdie. So I'll be taking these to my family home where we will spend the Easter, and I do have some for myself as well. The next step I'll be doing is clearing off the table. Clutter, I always share in my videos that clutter is one way that you can use to make your house look untidy. So clearing off the table will help to make the space feel clear and just to remove all the clutter. So I'll be packing up these buns properly on the table so it doesn't feel all that clutter. Now, self-discipline is another way that you can use to set your schedule and time to do certain chores around the home. And this is one method that I have tried and it has worked out for me. Set certain time that you clean out your kitchen, wipe off table, set certain schedules, set little steps, and it shall pay off in the end.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do.
Now it's time to clean the kitchen. Again, this might not be the most exciting task, but it's important to have a clean and organized space. And it takes self-discipline to resist the temptation to leave dishes in the sink or ignore spills on the counter. So now I have a few containers in the sink that I left last night because we eat cheese and bun and we just left them there. I'm not a person that normally leaves dishes in the kitchen, but last night I was so tired. It's one of those days. So now I'm going to clean the kitchen, wipe off the counters, wipe off the cupboards, and just to have a clean space.
I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like.
The next thing I'm doing right now is making my bed. It might seem like a small thing, but starting your day by making your bed is a great way to build self-discipline. It's a simple task, but it takes focus and attention to details, plus it sets the tone for the rest of the day. And it makes you feel like you've already accomplished something. I love to wake up and make my bed.
Working through me, fighting for me. God is not against me. You're winning with me. You're working through me. You're fighting for me. God is not against me.
Let me also mention, putting on your favorite music can help you get your work done faster. So I love to put on my little gospel music. This one is a new one that I've got from Elevation Church. He's in it with me, working through me, fighting for me. God is not against me. So take that today and always remember, God is not against you. He's in it with you. So whatever you're going through today, or whatever problem you have, or whatever great thing you have, just rejoice, give God thanks. This test is always a testimony. Another thing you can do for your self-discipline routine is to take up a book and read. You can choose any book of your choice. This book I am reading is You Are a Badass: How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life. So while you're going through, we always have this problem where we doubt ourselves. Another thing I love to do is always light a candle. Candle is a great way to make a space smell good, and it lifts your mood up. Now, I'm going to prepare my breakfast because I need to head out to the supermarket. So I'm just putting some water on the stove to get some tea. Can't bother with the kettle. Sometimes I just don't use the kettle. So I'm making a simple egg sandwich with cheese. So I'm using regular bread, regular sliced bread. It's national bread. So I'm just going to make a breakfast. And self-discipline also ties in with taking care of yourself as well. So try to prepare healthy meals. This one is not so healthy since that it's a bit greasy, but try to prepare healthy meals because these will really help in your self-care as well. So remember that part, that self-discipline ties in with your self-care. The grocery store. Shopping for groceries can be a bit of a chore, but it's also an opportunity to practice self-discipline. I'm sticking to my shopping list and resisting temptation to buy unhealthy snacks and impulse purchases. So when you're in the supermarket, always remember to write a shopping list and stick to that shopping list.
And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that. I'm no icon.
Finally, I'm spending time with my family for the Easter weekend. Spending time with loved ones is important for our mental and emotional well-being, but it also takes self-discipline. We might not always feel like making the effort to connect with others, especially after a busy day, but the benefits of socializing and building relationships are worth it.
So I have arrived at my family house and I am in the kitchen as usual, the first place I always go. Now you guys will have seen the kitchen covered in Christmas that we sprayed.
Falling to pieces in our room. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain.
I'm waiting I got done fried fish. I only not start yet. With what? Yeah, take it for a reason. I don't know if she take it for. Okay.
For something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens.
What should I say up here? This? The whole of this and the shrimp up here? Eh? You know not to buy yourself?
And the one I come.
I've got a plot.
You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long without it, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
Christmas decor still up. I need to take them down. April on Christmas tree still up.
We'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
That's it. Sleep. You know I'm nothing to do. You're not sure. You know I'm nothing to do. Eh? You don't know if you're in the kitchen. Like, where your name? Where them cat no sleeping beauty? Where the next one? Your princess? Come round there, so come lift up my thing. Huh? Are the same one them this a fry, Chris? Yeah. We have fry out of them, so you know turn one, Chris. What's this thing about our meat?
Look at this.
No man, this needs something taller. This with the heat here. Ooh. You think a baby for you then use a Elsha? You ever go a Elsha yet? After now we don't pass the water to the other. What you want teaspoon? Come on. Come on. So where am I put that night over?
Yeah,
No?
cover it with the file paper.
How much degree I put it on?
You're not good to cover it. Just cover it with the file paper so it's sweat. Like you won't let it on the hole. You won't let it on the hole. You cover it with the foil paper.
You still have cover it again?
Cover it with the foil paper with steel. Yeah. Cover it properly and make sure you lock. Great.
Lock it in good ready.
Oh, no bother me, no can't dry. You're ready, you can't dry. We're not bother me.
Me? No, Christina go do her business, do not come. No. It's okay.
Sure, you can dry.
Yeah.
Sure, you can dry. Hold on, you can't dry.
No, this one come over. We ain't ready. You have to go cut again. No, one. Turn over the edge, just so. Yes. And then put the other one now. You go over like mommy? Yeah. You're gonna see a pamper with the woman again. Come, if you can put in an oven. You are chef?
Want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. So long in my head, all up in my feet.
It's so something. When it turns, and then middle, and the top of the angle of the thing there. When it can move too slow, I don't want them to stop me there. You want it. Turn it over.
Put it in nice butter garlic fish.
Oh, let me get right you want it. Like them here?
Yeah, so.
Or you don't want it white up?
Let me see if it's about to go butter I can't see. It's so soft.
Want me to say something?
Filling it up with the garlic.